Hi, my name is Stefano Caposecco, Director of Product Marketing at Westinghouse Lighting. Today we'll be talking about pendants. You don't need any special tools to do the installation. If you have a cordless drill with a Phillips bit, it makes the job easier. Before hanging a pendant, important thing to do is to determine exactly at what height the pendant needs to hang. Once we determine that height, we may want to shorten the wire. In this case, it's a braided cord which has a cloth cover on the outside, then it has a rubber insulation, and inside of that there's 3 individual conductors. There's your black, white, and green, which is your ground wire. To change the length of the cord, we want to loosen the set screw, shorten the cord to the correct height, tighten the set screw, and now we can shorten the wires. Typically you want to leave at least 6 inches above the canopy. First thing we want to do is cut back on the cloth cover. Easiest thing to do is use a utility knife to cut back the braided cover. It's always good to have a piece of cardboard in case the utility knife slips. Next, we want to cut the outside insulation. Be careful not to cut the inside conductors or wires. Cut them and strip them. With the mounting screws installed on the mounting bar, we want to install the mounting bar to the junction box. Next, we want to make the electrical connections. Black to black wire, white to white wire, and ground to ground. I'm going to tuck the wires into the junction box. Raise the canopy, and secure it with cap nuts. Next, we want to install a light bulb. In this case, we're using the Westinghouse filament LED, amber, for a vintage retro look. Turn the power on. There you have it.